Kevin Ellip on set from ksound.com. Got a new product that I want to do a review on. It is called Alvoxcon. We're taking a look at this mic. It's in the space of mic. Let's take a look. The good folks over there at Alvoxcon created this mic. The model of this mic is A700. It is rather on the cheap side. It's a USB mic, and this is pretty much the mic that I'm talking on right now. You just connect it here, USB powered, straight into your laptop. So for you guys that need a mic for whatever, record it straight into your laptop. Okay, so say for me, in this case, I would put this in my backpack because I don't want to lug around my interface everywhere that I go along with the mic, you know what I mean? So what I would do is I would just throw this in my backpack with the USB cord into my backpack, and I'm on my way, and I can probably do videos on the go, you know what I mean? I can continue doing videos. So I definitely appreciate a mic like this. Can you record vocals? Can you do podcasts? Can you do YouTube? It says it on the box. This is suitable for YouTube, studio use, broadcasting, podcast, YouTube. I'll say YouTube again. Skype. It's pretty much your everything mic. To get better quality out of this, I'm speaking at a close proximity to this, but it also came with this here, and let's see what it sounds like if we just put this on the mic itself. So something in front of the mic always sounds better because this catches the wind. It you know what I mean? It's just it filters the mic, and it's just better sounding to me. And for those plosives in your mic, those P words that start with P's or B's or B, boy, bye, baby, you know what I'm saying? You got those plosives. This is great for that, and this is big. This is a big plus. A lot of expensive mics these days does not come with the windscreen or the pop filter onto it. I mean, it looks ugly, don't look that great. I mean, this does look like a mic for a broadcast or something like that. You know, those big expensive mics that they be pulling on. You know what I mean? But most people in the studio, this is not a sexy look. I mean, whatever. It should always be about the sound, but I don't know. You would think an expensive mic would come with a filter for it, right? Now the blue mics comes with filters, but you still have to buy something else to go in front of it because that little thing it doesn't do that great because first of all it's really close to the mic, you know what I mean? But you have ones you have to buy separately. Now this one came with it, so I'm listening to it right now. I think it sounds pretty good. I don't have anything coming into it. I don't have any EQ, no compression, or nothing. We just come straight in, right? So you guys let me know what you think about this mic. It comes in a couple of colors I'm noticing here. It says gray, and this is what we have now, gray, silver, and then it comes in black. Also, it comes with this table stand, but I went ahead and mounted onto my mic stand because otherwise I will be like, bruh. This little piece that screws into the mic actually has the same threading that fits onto a standard mic stand. So if I could show you guys real quick like how it looks coming into Studio One, because Studio One is the program that I use as my recording device and music production. So basically when you see this mic, it comes in as this. This is what I have right now on the recording device, which is a USB mic 1. That's how it's been labeled. And once you plug that in, it's good. You cannot use this with the UC Surface because UC Surface is XLR based. You have to plug in a mic into the interface itself. But I have the my interface here, and I'm just using it as my monitor. But my mic is plugged in USB through the computer. The thing that kind of sucks for me is I can't control the input on this mic, so you have to go into your audio devices on your computer. I am working from a Mac. It is definitely different on a PC. I'm not really sure where you have to go to do that, but on a Mac you just have to find the mic itself. So down here where it says USB mic 1, and then you can control the input gain here. Check. As you can see, the input. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Check 1 2 1 2. All right, I think we are back at where we was before. So that's the only thing when dealing with USB mics that you plug into your computer. You have less control over the input, but other than that, for something like this at this price point, I can't really say that it sounds bad for the price point. You definitely get what you pay for, but this mic sounds pretty good coming in without any effects, any filters, extra filters. This is just straight out of the box. For what I do, and a lot of you guys ask me about what mics I use. I use Blue mics, I use Shure mics, all of the mics that are pretty much expensive. But this one here, if you get one of these are definitely cheaper than what I have, and this is something that I will definitely put in my backpack for those instances where I need something real quick plugging in. Like I say, if you got an interface and you got a mic, you got to connect them things, you know what I'm saying? And you know, that's just extra gear, and it weighs down your backpack when you packing those devices. But this here doesn't weigh anything, and it comes with this, like I say, and you should be good to go. All right, guys, again, this is Ella from ksound.com signing out. Remember, music is art, you the artist. Paint your picture. Remember, stay creative without rules.
Enroll right now and unleash the creativity that lies within you. ku.creative.com. Creative University. Stay creative without rules. One more thing. If this voice intrigue you and the music make your soul move, my name is Ella. Thank you.
I'm done.